Good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this. Welcome back to this channel. Today I'm on to this comparison from between Bambulab software. Between nozzle setting. So if I put 0.8 nozzle, the printing from expectation is to be faster, right? Because the larger nozzle come out faster. So you can see inner wall 29 minutes and outer wall 31 minutes. Others infill 2, blah 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 blah. Total is 5 hour 9 minutes. So if I move down from 0.8 to 0.6 nozzle, slide it down, it becomes 4 hour 45. It's even faster than okay, 0.6 is faster than 0.8. It's a little bit not odd because out of my expectation now. And then even weird is I changed to 0.4. 0.4 become even faster. Why? Why? I am stuck.